Now I am doing the sum number 4. This is the last sum. Last sum means this is the last topic in this chapter. Topic is impress system of petty cash flow. Last two sums we have done are called ordinary system of petty cash flow. One is ordinary, another is impress. What do you mean by impress system of petty cash flow? Impress system of petty cash flow means a certain amount or fixed amount paid to the chief cashier by paid to petty cashier for a certain period. Certain period means for either 1 month or 1 week or fortnight. If the amount expenses made by the petty cashier in a certain week, this amount reimbursed to the chief cashier to petty cashier. I repeat again, estimated amount for a week or a month or a fortnight given to petty cashier, and after expenses or after next payment by the petty cashier, submit to the petty account to the head cashier or chief cashier, and head cashier or chief cashier reimburse the amount which have made or which have amount which he has made for expenses. This is called the impress system. Reimbursement the amount, and the beginning of the each month or each week amount is fixed. This is called the impress system. I am doing the sum number 4. Sum is given. A petty cashier in a firm received 15,000 as a petty expense or petty cash impressed the 7th June 2021. During the week, his expenses were as follows: 2021 date, 2021 month, June, 7th June, cash received, petty cashier cash received from the chief cashier under impress system, amount rupees 15,000. To cash, amount rupees 15,000. Next one, 7 June, conveyance, June 7, conveyance by conveyance account, conveyance by conveyance charges, amount rupees 500. Write first total column, write respective column also. Wages to casual labor, wages to casual labor by wages account, date 8 June by wages account, write the figure 1500 in total column. Also write Sunday's column and write paid to casual labor. This is the remark, paid to casual labor. This is the remarks, casual labor, wages to casual labor, not original wages. It is the casual worker wages. And next one, 8, bus fare by wage conveyance account, right? Bus fare for staff rupees 200, write 200 here and write conveyance 200 also here. Next one, stationery purchase, 8, again 8 by stationery account, amount rupees 1000. First write this column Next write this, maintain the level. And next one, send document to head office by registered post. That means postage and stamp account. By postage account. Next one, ninth, by postage account. Postage account, amount rupees 400. Right here 400. Write postage and stamp account 400 for document or registered post office. Registered post. Next one, 9th, postage stamp purchase 9th June. Again 9th June by postage account, purchase of stamp, postage and stamp. I have marked it and draw one single column for 2. Right? Postage purchase 1000, stamp purchase 1000. Write under postage and stamp 1000. Next one, revenue stamp for payment of wages. Revenue stamp purchase for wages. Right? 9th again. By again write postage and stamp account also. Amount rupees 500. 500. Write postage and stamp column 500. Next one, repairs of printer. Repairs of printer 10 June. Write 10 June by repairs account. Repairs of printer, repairs account. Write under this column first. Write 400 total column and 400 also repairs column. Next one, paid electric bill 10th. Again 10 June by electricity account. Electricity account. Amount rupees 1700 under total column 1700 and write under sundries column. Write under sundries 1700. Here remark column write electricity bill paid. Electricity bill paid. Next one, wages paid for shifting furniture by wages account 11. By wages account. Right, amount rupees 400. First write here 400 and wages for shifting. This is 400. Shifting, right here remarks. Wages for shifting the furniture. Shifting the furniture. Next one, taxi fare 11. Same 11. Taxi fare মানে conveyance account. Amount rupees conveyance taxi fare amount 500. Write total 500 and conveyance write 500 here. Conveyance taxi fare. And next one, lock purchase. Lock purchase. Write lock account. Lock 11 by locks purchase amount rupees 500. This is sundries, type of sundries. You can write the remarks locks purchase. And last one, restaurant bill paid. It is also miscellaneous or sundries. Write date 11 by restaurant bill account. Restaurant bill account. Amount rupees 1000 here and account 1000 here also. Write restaurant bill. Restaurant bill. This is the sum. Now totaling all the columns, total it. First individual column, total all individual column. Individual column 1000, 500, 700. Total column 5400 here. 400, 4, 5, 119, 1900, 1000 and 1200, 1200 and last this column total it comes 9900, 9900 total, but this side total 15,000 and right this side 15,000 balance 5,100 balance 5,100 right June 30 June by balance CD 5,100 next side 2021 July 1st July 2 balance BD amount rupees 5,100 and next side impress system. Impress means petty cashier, chief cashier amount paid to or amount given to petty cashier amount rupees 15,000. Chief cashier amount given to the petty cashier 15,000. But petty cashier expenses made or make payments out of 15,000. He has expenses made 9,900. Total amount paid to or given to the petty cashier 15,000. Out of 15,000 he has expenses made by 9,900. So impress system means chief cashier reimburse the amount rupees 9,900 again. 9,900 total amount expenses paid or total amount made for expenses 9,900. So main cashier or chief cashier reimburse the amount rupees 9,900. This is the balance amount 5,100 and two cash, right? Two cash account same amount 9,900 amount reimbursed to petty cashier. This is the impress system. It means beginning of each month the same amount in hand of the petty cashier. Thank you.